Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to enter customer and contact data in Excel for NetSuite CSV. To enter customer and contact data in Excel for NetSuite CSV import, you need to format your file correctly so NetSuite can read and match the fields. Step-by-step guide, including sample column headers and best practices. First is to prepare the CSV file. I have here the sample CSV file I will use for the upload. I have added all relevant fields for the customer and contact. Next is to import via NetSuite. Go to Setup, Import, Export, Import CSV Records. I have created a CSV mapping beforehand, so I'll use saved CSV imports, but I'll guide you through each step of the process. Select Import Type Relationships. Record type, customers and contacts together. Select the CSV file, click Next. Under Import Options, select Add and click Next. Ensure your fields are correctly mapped to the corresponding NetSuite fields, and include all mandatory fields to prevent errors during import. After confirming that all fields have been correctly added, proceed by clicking Next. Enter a name for your import map if you wish to reuse the field mapping in the future. Then, click Save and Run to begin the import. An Import Job Status link will appear. Click on it to view the status of your import. In this example, the upload was completed successfully. Let's review the customer record to confirm all fields were added correctly. As we can see, both the customer and contact details have been accurately imported. And that's how to enter customer and contact data in Excel for NetSuite CSV.